Last week, this is the event I showed you, and you know that 90-14 played. These two numbers went to the machine. Last week, these are the numbers we staked, and these two numbers, 90-14, both of them drop. Both of them drop in the machine last week. We wanted these same numbers at winning, but these two numbers went to the machine last week. And you know something, today this is the next event, and I don't know if fortunate or unfortunately, yesterday 51-71 also dropped yesterday, Monday. This plan is for Tuesday, though. This plan is for today, Tuesday. But yesterday 51-70 played. So I don't know if it is fortunate or unfortunate for us that this 51-70 should play again today. I don't know if that is the case. But let me show you what I know, or let me tell you what I know. Now, these two numbers have played in the machine. That was last week. And according to the plan starts from this 81 to drop 10, 14, 41, single 2, single 6, 44, 24, 33, 24, 37, 27, 10, 13. I think counting weeks, 60. Yesterday, 90-14. I mean last week, 90-14. So the plan has been playing for quite a long time. Let me put it that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 weeks. 16 weeks. Every day there is something about this plan. We are still waiting for this plan to give us two numbers. We are still waiting. Hopefully there will be a number coming from here today. Regardless of what happened yesterday, regardless of what happened last week, that is last week these two numbers went to the machine, and yesterday too these two numbers played. But regardless of what has happened, still a number must come from here. This week too, you guys can, I mean last week 31, it has, in fact it has been playing. Even yesterday there was still 31 playing, I think noon rush. So 31 has also been playing very well this week or last week. And yesterday 51-70 played. And so the only two numbers that are not doing enough magic on this plan is the 14-36. But last week too there was 14, there was 36 too. And so all the numbers on this plan are very good. Take note. Therefore, we are going to stake these 5 numbers because it is the next event. We are going to try these 5 numbers. However, today, personally, I want us to focus much on the machine. I want us to focus much on the machine numbers. So we are going to play the machine numbers together with the winning numbers as our long pen. But I want us to consider this. Now that these two numbers have played in the machine, it makes it look like the event will have to move on. The event will have to move on to the next one. Okay. Now, I realized that there was change of position between these two numbers in the machine. So if that is the case, if Lotto is going down, if Lotto is coming down, 70 is here. If Lotto is going up, 70 is here. So yes, over here our banker is going to be the 70. I've already established that if there will be any number dropping, there should be at least one number from here, and it should be 70 from the analysis I'm just giving you. And you can see that this 14 that played last week, the same 14 is expected to go on a repeat today. This 14 is expected to go on a repeat today. And so at this part of the event, we are going to play 70-14 as our too sure. 70-14 is going to be our too sure from here. 70-14 is my too sure here. Alright. Already you can see that this 14 played and it's 10. So we are expecting the same 14 to jump and come and play today. This 14 that played and 10 and played again should today repeat. So the 14 is our banker also. And the 72 is both top and down. The 70 is at both top and down. So we are going to play it with the 70 as our too sure. And so please take note. In terms of our best of selection, our first two selection is 70-14. When you come to the machine too, this 88 was expected to play and go on a repeat today. So 88 is the banker in the machine. When it comes to the machine, the banker is what? 88. 88 is our banker in the machine. and we are going to play the 88 with the winning numbers. We are going to play the 88 with the winning numbers, and so let us take note and give it a try. The 88 is our banker in the machine, and like I'm saying, because Lotto has played these two numbers in the machine, it can make these numbers winning, because machine, then this side will be the winning. So 8826 is our too sure in the machine. 8826. The reason why we are going for the 8826 is that one, the 88 is going to play and repeat. Okay. Then also I saw that this 26 is also going to play and lock the event. You can see it over here. So when it plays, it means it has locked next week event. So 26 is also the most powerful number in the machine. Now, in terms of the long perm too, so too sure or our best for selection, I know some of you will want only our selections. So our best for selections is what? 70, 14, 88, 26 is our best for selection. Okay, I've also seen that this 36 on the event is also good, because when you come here, when you come to this event, these three numbers, single 7, which is turning to 70, 36, which is repeating, 88, which is also repeating, are all on the event. So three numbers from here are expected to drop today, and so take note and give it a try in terms of your long perm. Then when you finish, you pick your two show of 70, 14, 88, 26 and give it a try, and let's see how it will go. And don't forget, if you want your best three from here, you can always go for the 36. I said yesterday 5170 drop, and so those of you who still believe in repetition, you can go for it. 5170 as a too sure, because the same two numbers dropped yesterday. You can give it a try and see how it will go. And so thank you for joining us for today. It is always a pleasure, or it has been a pleasure being with you throughout this year. All right, we are grateful to God, at least for the gift of life, that we've come this far. Yes, it's by the grace of God. And so we are very appreciative to all of you, and have a very good day. Have a good Xmas break. I know most of you have broke from your workplaces and you are coming for the holidays, and so we pray that grace will locate us, so that we can have a very successful Xmas season and also a successful holidays. And so, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us. This is let me check out the paper for you, for the sake of those of you who may want to verify. I think this is Monday special. no wonder no wonder it is Monday special paper that the plan is transferring to the Lucky Tuesday, and that is why yesterday it could pick numbers from here. But we are still hopeful that there will be numbers from here. At least for today, we are going to get two numbers. And so let us all try it and see how it will go. I'll see you, God willing, tomorrow for midweek.